Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. 10 review questions, set 5, A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What are the golden rules in homicide investigation? A. Never touch, alter and change the position of anything until identified, measured, and photographed. B. If article has been moved, it can never be restored again to its original position. C. A and B are true. D. All of the above. The interview of a witness can be described by the acronym IRONIC, which stands for A. Inquiry, recognition, organization, novelty, identity, continuity. B. Identity, rapport, omnipresent, narration, inquiry, conclusion. C. Identity, recognition, opening statement, narration, inquiry, conclusion. D. Identity, rapport, opening statement, narration, inquiry, conclusion. Which one is not a means of recording crime scene? A. By photographs. B. By sketches. C. By notes. D. Surveying. Application of all procedures for the search of missing persons. A. Rogues gallery. B. Manhunt. C. Tracing. D. Order of battle. Physical evidence are contaminated, altered of shape, damaged or lost because of A. Improper packaging. B. Corruption of investigator. C. Non-maintenance of chain of custody. D, A and C are true. Statement No. 1. The systematic procedure for verbal description of a person after a short period of visual observation is termed portrait parle. Statement No. 2. Description of police characters which a witness may refer and that is kept by police unit for purpose of references is rogues gallery. A. Statement number 1 is correct while statement number 2 is incorrect. B. Statement number 2 is correct while statement 1 is incorrect. C. Statement number 1 and 2 are both correct. D. Statement number 1 and 2 are both incorrect. Statement number 1. Tagging of physical evidence aside from the marking should be made immediately after receipt by the evidence custodian. Statement number 2. Marking or labeling of physical evidence should be made at the crime scene upon collection. A. Statement number 1 is correct. B. Statement number 2 is incorrect. C. Statement number 1 and 2 are both correct. D. Statement number 1 and 2 are both incorrect. Under Republic Act 7438, when does the police custody of suspect to a crime commence? Hence the latter is entitled to be informed of his rights under the Miranda doctrine which cannot be waived. A. At the time of custodial investigation. B. During the announcement that he is under arrest. C. During the actual questioning. D. At the moment that he is invited for questioning. What is the principal psychological factor that contributes to a successful interrogation? A. Privacy. B. Rapport between the interrogator and the subject. C. Legality. D. It should be done in the interrogation room with one-way mirror. Statement number 1. In spiral method of search, the searchers gather at the center and proceed outward along radius or spokes. Statement no. 2. In wheel method, the searchers follow each other along the path of a spiral, beginning on the outside and spiraling in toward the center. A. Statement number 1 is correct. B. Statement number 2 is incorrect. C. Statements number 1 and 2 are both correct. D. Statements number 1 and 2 are both incorrect. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.